going to do a review on the Worx Hydro Shot portable pressure washer unit. We've got a bottle here, a bunch of water in it. I'm going to top her up a little bit. So you get quite a big hose with it. It's fairly long, works pretty good. I'll do a bit of cleaning and see how it works. I'll do the rad here, see how well it washes it out. I don't know, guys, I'd say for what it is, it works pretty good. We did have the conservation officer just stop by and said that they were impressed that we're not doing any washing in the creek. Of course, that's illegal up here in the mountains, so they quite like the idea of using these too. But as you can see, for what it is, it does a pretty good little job. If you're stuck on the trail with an overheated rad, this will get you going again. So that's our review on the Worx 20 volt pressure washer.